It was once a staple of the Australian dream: the open road, the weekend drive, and the reliability of a diesel cars. But for millions of Aussies, that dream is currently idling in the driveway. In March 2026, the Bowser burn has reached a fever pitch. With global oil supplies throttled and diesel prices screaming past $2.70 a litre, we aren't just complaining about prices anymore. We're walking away. New data from Australian Automobile Association confirms the shift. In just 3 months, diesel's share of buyer interest has been sliced in half, plummeting from nearly 30% to just 15%. So where is that interest going? Straight into the electric grid. Inquiries for battery electric vehicles have surged, now making up nearly 40% of the market. Combine that with hybrids, and over 70% of Aussies looking for a car today are searching for a way to stop buying fuel entirely. Even the iconic Toyota Hilux, once the unbreakable king of the Aussie road, has fallen out of the top 10 most searched cars as buyers swap ruggedness for range and kilowatt hours. And it's not just what we're buying, it's how we're moving. In Sydney, the Opal network recorded an extra 46,000 trips in just 3 weeks. For many, the math is simple. A $5 train fare beats a $150 tank of petrol. We're also seeing a bike boom 2.0. From Ballarat to Brisbane, commuting by bike is up 6%. Families are now turning to electric cargo bikes for school runs and grocery trips, saving thousands on fuel, maintenance, and stress. The crisis is even reshaping the landscape. One Queensland service station made headlines by shutting off its pumps entirely and reopening as a local cafe. But this transition isn't seamless for everyone. For regional drivers and the freight industry, the electric shift comes with serious challenges, from high upfront costs to regulations that struggle to keep up with heavy battery vehicles. For them, ditching fuel isn't a lifestyle choice, it's a real crisis. Australia has always been a car-dependent nation, but as the cost of commuting starts to rival the cost of a mortgage, this great Aussie U-turn may not be temporary. It looks like the beginning of a permanent shift. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe to Aussie Car Expert because we've got a lot more coming your way.